在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Patrick O'Haka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Edison。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase later, 等一下。
等一下。
等一下。常常有朋友呢都会跟我这个借车子，
真的吗？
等一下要去接朋友啊，等一下要去哪里啊？你会吗？
我不会啊，因为我朋友车子都比我高档啊。
哦，是这样吗？你的破车借不想借是？
而且我10几年车子，他怎么会想要跟我借呢？
Okay. 好啦，我车子也没有那么好，但是他们就会一个来借之后，第二个就来借。我们来听一段这样子的对话。Let's listen to a conversation where a friend wants to borrow your car to go pick someone up a little later.
查下做地真係事務，我等一下我來去查條接朋友。
冇問題，壽司搞本
食菜當咁正我。
我剛剛聽到壽司，我知道不是壽司了，對不對？
鑰匙不是壽司，好不好？
There's a term in there that sounds like sushi, but it's not. It's actually a key. OK， 就是钥匙。好 ，Let's break it down. OK， 刚剛一開始就是，車子可以借我開嗎？我等一下去車站接朋友。Can I borrow your car because I gotta pick up a friend at the station later？
茶會做得加礙事麼？
茶會做得加礙事麼？
我等一下。
我等一下，
我來去茶頭接朋友。
我來去茶頭接朋友。茶頭 that is a station, OK， 然後要接朋友。接朋友 OK， 朋友 is friend, to 接 is to receive or to pick someone up. You say 接朋友。然後要借叫做 to borrow。加，那這個朋友就像我一樣嘛，對不對？義不容辭就說沒問題，鑰匙交給你怎麼說？
冇問題。壽司搞本。
And finally, of course, thanks from the person. 真是太感謝你了 Thank you so much.
食菜當感謝
唔油 Okay, let's review some of these phrases right here, including to pick up a friend, 接朋友怎麼說？
接朋友
And then a key, 鑰匙。壽司 And finally, appreciate it. Okay, 感謝。All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
查下做地真係事務，我等一下我來去查條接朋友。
冇問題，壽司搞本
食菜當咁正我。
And this month, we're teaching you again to say later, 等一下。And that does it for today's Patrick O'Haka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.